We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button. Time when you watch this video helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock pushing up higher and slightly breaking out of this consolidation, and we have some key levels to talk about based off the chart, while the overall market had its own volatility. And this morning our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 11:10 a.m. and from that moment forward put options went up 2 to 3x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock having strength here. We're gonna talk about some key levels, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are two of the three stocks I mentioned this morning. The third one was APRN, but every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, and even 10 to 20%. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was RDBX. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, going into strength and consolidating, slightly dipping towards the bell, reversed back into strength on 42 vision, jumped up 20 to 30% plus, consolidated, and went for another jump, hitting a highest point on the day of possibility of 50% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, breaking out of the consolidation here that we've been watching very closely and showing some strength here and building support up at higher levels. Now, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility of the charts by receiving that clarity and edge in either direction. So Aterian stock here has been under a bull indicator since Friday, and it was pulling back, and I stated it canceled out this bear indicator. Within this volatility, a lot of consolidation and strength here, and the fact that this bull indicator popped up and things were reversing in the after hours, we needed to watch it carefully. And the first resistance was 536, and it broke through it, hit newer highs today within the volatility, came back down towards it, and now reversed again. So we're going to talk about some key levels here to watch going into tomorrow, but we're also going to break down things from the 4-hour and the 1-day as well. So the 4-hour was here sitting sideways in this consolidation, but there was some strength from the move down here from red to dark green, but no bull indicator in the process. And today a bull indicator just popped up that has canceled out this bear indicator. Now we are a little bit below where this bear indicator popped up at 574, but it is working its way up towards those levels, and it just got a bull indicator. And we want these transitions to continue from dark green into bright green and continue the momentum back up by breaking through key resistance levels, which we're going to talk about here on this chart. And then we also have the 1-day in that continuation of strength here, And I've stated that this bull indicator, until it gets canceled out by a bear indicator, things are still going to have a possibility of further strength to try to come back up. And that's what's been going on here after this dip, almost as if it's become a setup for the next bull run, right? Not a setback, but a setup. Now it's been very volatile and it's trying to push itself back up, and it transitioned from dark green with red borders to a dark green bar. We want to see this continue as it did here, so that the stock keeps on pushing up and testing new resistance levels. Now, when we pull it back down, we have a bull indicator here on the 1 day on the bigger picture, since down here at 247. No bear indicator has popped up yet, or even a red bar. On the 4 hour, we just got a bull indicator. We want to see that continue. And on the 30 minute, we've gotten a bull indicator here since April 29th at $5.07 and 6 cents, give or take. Even though it pulled back down, reversed back up, no bear indicator, and that bull indicator has held true so far into today's volatility. So let's go ahead and talk about here, what are the key levels to watch going into tomorrow. The first thing is this support before the run again, as it pulled back and reversed back up, and that is 526. That's the first level I'll be watching to see if the bulls reappear or if the bears are tearing this one down fast. And then the lowest point of the day in the pullback of 517 would be a key level to watch. Now, if both get broken through, the next support is down here at 496. And if you want to round that up to $5, you can. Those are the key levels to watch to the downside and see if the bears are dominating or if the bulls are bringing it back up with some support, right? Now, to the upside, the highest point of the day was 570. We definitely want to see this break above that, get back up here to that recent high here of 579. If you want to round that up to 580, you can. Based off the history of the chart, that is a key level of resistance right up here. And then again, we rejected slightly below those levels. So super important for it to break out of that and then get back up above $6, as I stated before. Keep on pushing up. And if it accomplishes that, some shorts could get squeezed out of their positions. Those that have been holding and those that have been shorting here from the 7 to the 4s, right? So that's going to be a very interesting point of reference to see the bulls break through, turn those levels into supports, and then we can start talking about higher levels of resistance. But right now, on every single time frame of the 30-minute, the 4 hour, and the 1 day, there is a bull indicator, and we want to see that continue to hold true and continue the transitions upwards. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make